Hello Metin players, today I'm gonna show you my personal project which is about automating farming part of the game. I refer to the program as a bot. Some of you may say it's hacking. Yes, you're right. Any form of violating the game rules is considered cheating, but only if they catch you. Now let's take a look at this screenshot. Now what we see here is our character in the center of the game window. Also HP and mana bar for skills and consumables, user interface buttons, some dogs and wolves, and minimap. And here comes the spine of the project. The red and green dots on the minimap are the representations of the object in the 3D environment. In Metin, if you hover over those dots, you will get the name of the object, also the X and Y axis, its coordinates. Also, under the minimap there are three texts. The first one is the channel we are playing in, the third one is the game time, and the second are the coordinates of our player in the environment. Now, how do we find the mobs around us? Well, it's quite complicated, but I'll cover the basics. Notice we can actually pop out the names of the monsters and other objects, so by having this information we can take a screenshot of the game and analyze it on a pixel level. So by having the pixels and their colors we can extract and build ladder. With having the ladders we can start building words. So with words we can build the name of the monster, and this means we can create imaginary hitbox. With hitbox we can click on the object and let the character interact with it. Now you may ask why we would take the name of the monster instead of the whole monster. Well, if you imagine the monster as a group of pixels, on a pixel level it is made from pixels from different colors. So we would need artificial intelligence which we would train with those pixels and probably extract information from the whole screen just to tell that is our specific monster. Instead, we can take the name, which is made of same font for every monster, and the pixel color of that font is the same for all of them. Quick example of how the bot works. First of all, he reads the words of the mobs and create the hitbox I was speaking about earlier, so he would be able to click on them. He rotates the camera because the letters mix and the produced images of the letters are not comparable to those in the database. Now, when there are no mobs around him, he uses his target skill and fixes the camera angle. The target skill is very useful because it makes the character run to the target and attack it when it's near him. Now, he is about to get full inventory. Yes. Now he is going back to the town, opens the NPC and scan his inventory page and only sells the items which are unnecessary to have. Then he opens the second page. Yes. Now you may ask why he clicks on empty slots. That is because some items takes 2 or 3 slots and the images for them are not present in the database, so he doesn't know if he already sold the item. Now he is going to close the warehouse and probably, yes, he will definitely teleport back to the town. Now he's back to the hunting grounds. He doesn't rest. Now, sometimes he gets stuck by many mobs. That's unpleasant to see because usually he pops a lot of potions and they cost money. As you may see, sometimes he's not able to read the names and uses his skills to spread them or eventually kill them if he has enough damage. It's not the best, but it works 99% of the time. And that's all. So this is the other type of farming. This bot job is to dig in mines, but first he must grade them by value. First of all we choose which mines he wants to dig in. When we click start button, the bot takes control over the PC and starts searching. There is specific hard-coded route he takes from point A to point B. There's more complex logic behind this bot. Here we check the minimap for green pixels, which are the references to the mines and NPCs, and player coordinates to determine at which direction we are going to. When he sees a green pixel, he hovers over them with mouse to extract the information of the object, the name and its coordinates. Now when he learned the coordinates of the mine, he uses pathfinding algorithm and goes back to it. The pathfinding algorithm includes passing around static objects such as rocks or trees. As you understand, this doesn't include monsters. Before clicking on the mine, he fixed the camera angle in order to press correctly on the mine and not on some random passing monster. So this covers most of the project. I won't showcase the feature with which I respond to the messages inside the game remotely. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have a question.